We get a lot of inquiries of where and how to drill our break blocks. Today I'm going to try and show you with an example of our PNR 1E break blocks where to locate the hole, how to locate the hole, and we'll hopefully show you how to drill it, leaving the wall thickness equidistant from the side of the break block. We're now at the workbench and we are going to determine where to place the hole centre in the break block. Our pin is 6mm in diameter. For this example, we will use a 5mm wall thickness plus half the hole diameter of 6.1mm. We set the combination square at 8mm and scribe a line using the sides as our datum. We've come into the workshop to drill the hole. Because of the 3-degree angle in the break block, I've created this jig so we can drill squarely through the break block. Pushing the break block on the jig and positioning the centre mark with the drill, we are going to drill a pilot hole. And now we will drill the 6.1mm hole through which we will locate the pin. We take the break block out and we can see the hole through the break block. We can place the next break block in the jig without marking, as we know it's in the correct position. We are now going to hang the break block on the hanger, ensuring the radius side of the break block is the same side as the flange on the wheel. So we push the break block onto the hanger, lining up the holes. We insert our pin. Move the block round so that it doesn't hang and lines up with the wheel. We hope you found that useful. Thank you for watching.
This ain't gonna work. This ain't gonna work.
So I've changed the drill bit for a 6.2 diameter millimeter. So we mark the break block. Go on, start again.
You'd never be an actor, John.
Oh.